Hey, what's up, David? Quick demo for you for your Korbanth Skinnyflex. I believe this is an 89 Sabers and it's sold through Korbanth. But it's a very nice saber. It's installed with the Proffie V2. You've got CC Sabers in there for your lit PCB. And this is a 2-button setup, but your switches are located right here. So a back press on this guy is your activation, and then a forward press is your auxiliary. There's not very much travel in there at all. It's just almost like a hairpin, but you'll be able to feel that tactile feel. And then this is your blade retention, this upper piece right here, right? I'll show you that here in a second. But to get to everything, you just want to unscrew the handle. Almost there. Once we take that off, here's your chassis. A little something I came up with for you. So static, it's a static chassis setup. You've got a removable battery, 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and then your Proffie board right here. You've got access to your SD card and your micro USB, and you never have to move the board. But the board is just a tight snap fit down into this shelf right here. All right, and that's what that looks like, and then just a few greeblies to make it not so plain. We'll throw a battery in here. This Proffie was taken off your old Saber. I got it right here. You sent this one to me, had me take the Proffie out of it and use it in this guy. It's an LGT Proffie, right? So I took it out, cleaned it up, put it in here. Everything's good to go. So we'll throw a battery in. Go ahead and throw the handle on. Everything fits on nice and snug. That's how it's supposed to. Lock it down. I'm going to turn this off. So again, it's just back for your power. And then forward for auxiliary. You do with the finger. Go to another sound font.
The Dark Sword.
This thing is pretty loud. Really loud, actually. So while trying to fit my blade in here, my blade won't fit. These 89 Sabers, lightsabers, are known for having super small, super tight blade sockets, right? So if you have a brand new blade or even one that you've had for a while, you're going to end up doing some sanding. I just could not get mine to fit in here. Everything was tested outside of the Saber and works well. I just won't be able to fire up a blade for you. I'll go to another sound font. I need to make another 7/8" blade and sand it heavily. I had one and I gave it to somebody not too long ago, and that was specifically for 89 Sabers, lightsabers. Blade lock up. You've got a lot of sound fonts on here.
Lord Vader. Empress Palpatine. Count Dooku. General Kenobi. General Krill. Darkness.
Oh yeah, everything's working on here like it should. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and we'll take the battery out. Sorry for not having a blade to put in this guy. You know, like I said, I need to make one and I just haven't yet. I like to have a separate one that I have to sand heavily. I've got one 7/8" blade, but if I sand that down, it won't fit other sabers that take the normal size, right? Anyway, when you take the handle off, you can come over here from the positive side by your speaker and you can pop the battery out with your finger. It is a tight fit, but it's meant to be that way. But that's basically your Skinnyflex. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right? Thanks.